Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a minimal project and a questions data structure. This gets you coding immediately. Use Python 3, 8+, a venv, and define a list of dictionaries holding question text, options, and the correct answer. Once done, implement a simple for loop that prints a question, shows numbered options, and reads user input. This first actionable step forces validation ideas early, so you'll handle invalid input later. It also gives a concrete place to add functions and scoring next. Now you build the core logic with clear functions, one to ask a question, one to check answers, and one to update the score. Make sure to validate input using try/accept and normalize answers so users can type numbers or letters reliably. Once done, add random. Shuffle for question order and optional timing using time. Time to enforce limits. Modular functions make it easier to add features like partial credit or categories, and they keep your flow testable and predictable as you expand functionality. Finish by building a clear end screen that shows total points, percentage correct, and a short review of missed questions. Then persist results to JSON or CSV so you can analyze runs, make replay and resume options available. Once done, run systematic tests for edge cases like empty question sets or duplicate ID. If things go wrong, a key troubleshooting tip: print intermediate state, questions list, current index, user input to isolate where values diverge. This reveals logic bugs quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.